This is what happens when I procrastinate. Oh, that was so disappointing. Hello? I wanted that really satisfying can opening sound, but that did not happen. Cheers and good morning. I need some energy for today. Today is a work from home day. Today is actually Sunday, but I view Sunday as a working day for me because I have a full-time job and I do social media. So Sunday is really my social media grind day and I view it as a work from home day. Taking you guys with me on my Sunday on my little work from home day today. We have a lot of stuff that I want to accomplish today. I started out this morning by laying in bed and editing my Sunday reset. I am very lucky that I was able to do my Sunday reset yesterday. I did all the cleaning yesterday. It is, however, a mess again. Let me show you this. Are you ready? All my laundry, all my clean laundry. Yeah, so we're gonna have to put all of that away. It's gonna be a wrinkled mess. Update on my washer and dryer. I still don't have one. They promised they'd put one in. They never did. 2 weeks ago, they're like, oh, it's being put in this week. It still hasn't been put in. So this weekend, went to my mom's house, did my laundry, threw it all in a trash bag, and then now it's just like wrinkled on my floor. Really great situation we have going on here. But we're gonna head over to my office and do some work. I actually upgraded my walking pad under desk treadmill situation, and I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. But I want to change into some athletic clothes that I can walk on it as I'm doing my work. So let's change really quickly and then I'll tell you guys all about it. I don't know what I want to wear. We'll go with this. Oh, it didn't close all the way. I meant to go with it. I have this white little workout tank top right here. So my office is a little bit of a mess right now, and that's because I'm currently trying to decorate it and build some furniture. I am halfway through building 90% through building some furniture right here. But this is the start of the show that I wanted to show you guys. I'm so excited about it. You guys know that I had a walking pad and I wanted to upgrade it because I didn't really love the one that I had. I had a couple problems with it. I thought that it was too loud. It would overheat really fast. I wish it had an incline and then it only went to a 3.8 speed, which I wanted it to be a little bit faster. So I got this one. This one is from Urivo, and Urivo is actually sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much to Urivo for sponsoring. The one that I got is the Stroll 1 Pro Auto Incline Treadmill. This is an under desk treadmill. This thing is incredible, you guys. My favorite thing about it is it has an incline. I think that was the #1 thing that I felt like my last walking pad was really missing. And what's really cool is you can walk or jog on this. Right now what I'm going to be doing with it is using my rising desk and walking on it while I'm editing a video. But if I wanted to jog, I could also jog on this. Let's rise my desk up so we can start using it. Why is this not going? There we go. Listen to how quiet this is. My last one was super loud. And you can adjust the speed with this remote. But if you want to use it to jog instead of just walk, watch this. There's this foldable table that you can fold up. It has a nice little tablet holder. I like to put my phone here. So if you want to jog on it, you fold this up. It is so convenient. It folds down really nice as well. You guys saw it before. I'm not much of a jogger, but I am a fast walker. So I like to fast walk on this as I'm watching TV. I like to have these handles here to hold on to just in case as well. But then when I'm working, like editing a video or on my laptop, I like to walk a little bit slower. So I'll fold the table down and then type away on my computer on my desk. Also, a really cool thing about this with the incline, you can achieve a 30-minute jog result in only 15 minutes with this incline. Let's start this up. I'm just adjusting the speed here. So you can do it here. There's also a remote to do it with. This one is significantly quieter than my last one, and there's nice shock absorption for when you're walking. Let's do the incline. Right now we're at a 3 incline. I'm going to put this table down because I want to use it with my desk while I'm working. But this under desk treadmill is actually on sale for Prime Day. It's a really great deal. I highly recommend it. I honestly wish I would have just gotten this one to begin with because this one has everything that I wish my last one had. Honestly, when it comes to Prime Day, a lot of the times I'll just add things to my cart and then wait for it to go on sale and then buy it then. So highly recommend doing that so you don't miss out on it. Also, Urivo is actually offering an exclusive offer to people who add their products to their cart before promotion day on Prime Day. So you can enjoy a special little discount on Prime Day. So definitely add it to your cart now so you don't forget. I'll have a link down below if you guys want to check it out, but I'm obsessed. If you can tell, I'm like fangirling over this. We're gonna put the table down and then get walking while we edit. I walked for about an hour. I'm a little sweaty. It's really compact, so I just kind of set it up against my wall when I'm not using it. But I have some more work that I really... What did I just step on? My chapstick. I must have dropped it. Look at me. Hi. Hello. I have a little bit more work to do, and I think I'm gonna sit for the rest of this. It was a great workout. It's really awesome to be able to exercise and not even realize that you're doing it. Depending on what I'm working on, I go anywhere from speed 3 to like 2.4. I think the more focused I need to be on it, the slower I go. My computer is currently loading, so I can't really touch it right now. So I thought I would put all of that laundry away. A little nervous for it. So I'm not done, but I am starving and I need to take a break. I have some leftovers, but you guys, my living room and kitchen area is stepping in here. From here is about a 30-degree difference. This room has this sliding glass door right here, and that sliding glass door is like over 50 years old, and there's, I don't want to say like holes in it, but it's letting all this heat in, and it's like 115 degrees outside right now, something like that. And so it is really hot in this room. I need to get it replaced, but it's very expensive to get it replaced. I just need to man up and do it, commit to it. It's just a lot of money that I don't want to spend, but I cannot be in my kitchen and my living room for long periods of time because it's just way too hot. So I'm gonna probably eat this in my office. The back corner of this house, so much cooler. So for lunch, I have these barbecue chicken thighs and then asparagus that I made the other day. Very, very good. It was really easy. And I'm just gonna heat it up in the microwave, and that will be our lunch. I'm gonna eat it and then I'll finish up my laundry. I'm just gonna heat this up in the microwave. Before I had some mac and cheese with this, but I already ate all the mac and cheese. Considering adding rice to it, but first we'll start with this because I'm just famished. Oh, I was gonna show you guys it, but you just see all the mess on my island. Oh, that's embarrassing. Update, just ate my lunch, and now I'm doing a little bit of picking up. I finished putting my laundry away. I did do a Sunday reset yesterday, or just like a Saturday reset, I guess, but my place is still a trashed disaster. This is what it looks like after I've done a lot of cleaning, so we clearly have a mess. I was eating ice cream in my bed, so need to go put this in the sink, but we have a lot of just, I mean, like, that's on the ground, you know, it never ends. And I still do have some more work that I need to get done, so I'm just trying to take my little break and clean. I did quite a bit of cleaning. I also went through my fridge and threw away anything that was kind of expired, bad, little iffy if I should eat it or not. And I think almost 5 p.m. It is 4:26 p.m. I cannot believe that this is where the day has taken me. I still have a ton of more work to do, which I'm not really looking forward to. I feel like I spend half the day working and the other half cleaning. The day always just goes by so fast. I also still need to go to the grocery store. Now that this office is, we're just gonna ignore this, but like cleaned up for the most part, I think it's so cute. Obviously I need to put the doors on this little cabinet, but I think it's so cute. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know what I was talking about in this situation. I realized that I really do need to go to the grocery store. I really, really, really don't want to, but I need to have food for tomorrow for work. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store, hopefully as fast as humanly possible. I wanna do it fast because it's just like 110 plus degrees outside. It's so hot. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna get in my car. My car is gonna be so hot. Am I talking myself out of it right now? But I need to, so I'm gonna try to do it as fast as humanly possible, but I'm gonna die doing it, but that's okay. It's fine. I'm fine. It's also gonna be really hot that I'm wearing like pants, but I will try to. I don't want to change. I did not stray from the plan. I got everything that I said I wanted to get. So first off, I'm gonna make the same recipes that I made last week and the week before. So we're gonna do chicken thighs, barbecue chicken thighs, asparagus, and then protein mac and cheese. So I got some chicken thighs for that. And then for the protein mac and cheese, I needed some cottage cheese. So got some here. And then I also want to make these veggie egg white omelets that I'm obsessed with. I had all the other ingredients except for I needed some spinach. What ripped off? What ripped off? What did I do? Oh, maybe this. I got some mini bell peppers for the egg white omelets, but also for lunch I'm gonna make like a buffalo chicken dip with, and then dip mini bell peppers in it, and then asparagus. And then I got a watermelon. Watermelon is my favorite food to snack on right now. And that's all I got. How much was all this? $28.15, and I saved 10%, $3.22. So that's awesome. This is my grocery haul. I have a ton of work to do. Like, I've been procrastinating editing an entire video, and I know I need to do it, and I probably should just do it right now, but I've really been putting it off. Took a little TikTok break as my images were importing, or my videos were importing, and guys, I saw this TikTok video of like these delicious looking banana muffins. They look so good, and guess what? I don't have any of the ingredients, and you know what? If I could have gotten them. I could have gotten the ingredients if I went to the grocery store earlier, or later actually. If I saw the video earlier and went to the grocery store later, I could have made them. I'm disappointed. I want to cry, and I'm not kidding. Well, no, I am kidding. I don't actually want to cry, but it's very disappointing. I'm debating if I want to go back to the grocery store, but it's very sweaty. It's a very sweaty job, and it requires getting up, and I still do have all my work to do, so I'm just like, They looked so good, these banana muffins. Oh my god, that's all I can think about. I'm very seriously debating if I should do it or not. I changed into a much comfier shirt. It's actually still light outside, but I have my blinds and my curtain closed because it's just so hot that I'm preventing any light, any warmth from coming in. But I wanted to show you guys the really easy meal prep that I make for lunch. So I have some shredded chicken. I actually made this last week. Please tell me this still smells good. Yeah, this is fine. Cool. Woo, woo. I need to eat this very soon, so that's why I'm making this. In a Tupperware container, I'm gonna add in the shredded chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken, you can use whatever you want. Then I'm going to add in some plain Greek yogurt. Do not accidentally buy vanilla Greek yogurt. Trust me, been there, done that. The one that I'm using is a protein Greek yogurt, so I don't really know how much I use with this. I hate when the Greek yogurt has like that gross liquid on it. I'm gonna do maybe like 2 spoonfuls. You could always add more later. If you want to add ranch mix in this, like a powdered ranch mix, you totally can. I don't really notice too big of a difference when I do. And then I'm gonna add some red hot sauce. And then all I do is just mix it up, and it's nice because you can do this in your Tupperware. And then what I'll do is I'll take my little mini bell peppers that I have, cut them into little strips, and then dip them into this kind of like buffalo ranch dip. Heat it up in the microwave for like 30 seconds to a minute. I think I might have done the perfect ratio for this. I like it to be a little bit of a darker pink. Sometimes I make it a little too light of pink, then I have to add more buffalo sauce. I might want to add more buffalo sauce to this. No, I think it's fine. And this is it. Really simple, really easy. And then if you want to, you could also like do some cheese sprinkled on to just kind of have like a cheesy, I don't even know, like kind of like a meltiness on top. This is just very simple. It's one of my favorite meals for work. It's just like a go-to because higher protein, it tastes good, very few ingredients. You can't go wrong with this. So I'm gonna put this in my fridge, and then I'll just put it in my lunchbox tomorrow morning. And you could use rotisserie chicken for this. You could bake chicken, shred it. I think I did this in a crock pot and then shredded it, but you can really do whatever you want with this. It's hard to, it's like, I don't want to say error free, but like it's close to it. Update, if you can't tell from the sun going down, it is still getting late. I don't know why I just said it's getting late, but I still have like 2 hours left of editing. I'm probably gonna be editing until like 9 p.m. Oh my goodness. This is what happens when I procrastinate. I probably should just end the video here so I can lock in and focus on editing, but I love you guys so much. Make sure to check out your Revo. Add it to your cart for Prime Day. I'll have a link down below if you guys are interested, but I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.